Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here another comparison video or comparison video review of the two premium ultra watch clone in the market. What we have here, this one is the DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch, and another one is the Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, so it's pretty similar also to the ZD8 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, so we are going to check on these two wearables. As you can see here, they almost have the same strap as well as body frame, just different colors. We'll check if they have the same UI or menus and functions. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's check. Okay, again, this is our DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. Okay, it is an upgrade of the popular DT8 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, and here on our right side, okay, we do have here the Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, I don't know if this is the same with the ZD8. I've seen a lot of shopping site that markets the Z8 as the ZD8 Ultra smartwatch also. Okay, so let's check first the box here. As you can see, both can come in premium packaging. Okay, so we have here the DT8 Ultra Plus with a Wear Pro Support App, and we have the Z8 Ultra Max. Okay, also a 49mm version. Okay, with the Zordai application. Okay, as you can see here, so Zordai Z8 Ultra Max. Okay, so it is using the Zordai support app, while the other one, it is using a much well-known application, the Wear Pro support app. Okay, so in terms of the design, so let's check. Okay, as you can see here, both have a beautiful graphics here, slim bezel. Okay, zinc alloy body frame. Okay, for the crown button, almost the same, as well as the pill shaped button on the bottom part. Okay, there's also a microphone hole here. Okay, on the other side, so you have the speaker and the orange action button. Okay, at the back, so we have an IML. Okay, back cover with the support for the watch strap locked. Okay, while there's a new addition here in the Z8 Ultra, as you can see, we do have a screws here, so it shows that it is somewhat legit. Okay, while this one doesn't have any screws. Okay, I guess this one is much easier to repair with the screws here. Okay, for the size, as you can see, okay, we do have a black color for this one, and the other one is titanium color. Okay, so for the strap, you have the same strap with stainless steel here buckle. Okay, both do have a good waterproof rating, I think IP68. Okay, so let's check on the menus of each smartwatch. Okay, so first, here are the watch faces for our Zordai smartwatch. So it is preloaded with several watch faces. Okay, you can use your crown button to scroll Here in our DT8 Ultra Plus, okay, so we also have several watch faces. So they have at least different, okay, watch faces, because the other one is using the Wear Pro application, while this one it is using the Zordai application. Okay, so let's check on the menus. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so different approach on the quick settings. Okay, so, but there's a lot of option here for the Zordai smartwatch, the Z8 Ultra Max, compared to the DT8. Okay, okay, going back. Okay, do we have a split screen? Yes. Okay, it's the same style for the split screen here. Okay, as you can see, back. Okay, menus, the same UI here. I do believe that they have the same, okay, operating system. Okay, so weather, so this one is much better when it comes to the design or the UI, the style for the Zordai. Okay, when it comes to weather, but more information is available here in the DT number 1 or the DT8 Ultra. Okay, some music, that's it. Okay, so let's check on the main menu. Okay, but before that, let's check first this one. Okay, so is this an action button here? Let's check. Nope. Here is an action button. Okay, going back. How about this one? Okay, how about this? Okay, so the different style. The button here for the Zordai or for the Z8 Ultra Max is for the sport function, and this one is for the cards or the windows. Here in the DT8 Ultra, the action button here is for the sports. Okay, while for this one, the other pill button is this, it is for the window type or the cards. Okay, I'm going back. Okay, so let's check on the menus. Okay, phone, messages, contacts, call records, fitness data. Okay, the same. Okay, for the sports, let's check. Walking, basketball. Okay, I like the graphics or the font for the Z8 Ultra Max, but they all have the same sports functions. Okay, HR, ECG, BP, okay, blood oxygen, NFC, music, stopwatch. We also have weather, my QR code, GPS motion trajectory. We also have a voice assistant, alarm clock, flashlight. Okay, so practically it's the same smartwatch. Okay, when it comes to menu offering, menu style. Okay, so the same. Okay, so this one, it has at least 4 menus only. Style menus for the DT8 Ultra Plus, we have at least 10. Okay, the advantage goes to the uh, DT8 Ultra. Okay, so back, let's check air pressure settings, language. Okay, dial switch, screen off and on, ringtone settings, password. Okay, so you can change here the side key. So let's check. You can adjust. Okay, we have it here No, I think we don't have that one here. Okay, so there's an advantage for the DT8 Ultra smartwatch when it comes to personalization here. Okay, I don't see it here in the DT or in the Z8. Okay, on back, new style settings, dial switch. Okay, so there's an option. So there's some difference when it comes to menu offering. With the DT8 Ultra Plus do have a additional menu options. I don't know if they include it in here in the quick settings. Let's check. Okay, so we have SOS. This one is this raining, weather, brightness display. We do have a flashlight, battery, watch mode, smart mode. It seems like I don't see it here. I think this is QR code, I think. Okay, so our DT8 Ultra Plus here do have several advantages. Okay, when it comes to menus, okay, personalization, okay, but with the design, I think the design goes to our Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, but do both do have a good design as well as good features. Okay, so beautiful menus here. So the font here for our Z8 Ultra is much better compared to the DT8 Ultra Plus. Okay, but they have almost the same features and the same sport function. Okay, again, let's take a look. Okay, so the same size here, 49mm smartwatch. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the menus and design of the DT8 Ultra Plus versus the Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video review, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.